um, where do we even start? Just on the hectic day with my 310 and as usual left hand. Yeah, so I changed my tires. You might see, yep, normal MRFs. Yeah, no fancy Michelins, no fancy Metzelas, not even Apollo. I consider TVS Pro Talk Extreme. And guys, my new gloves. Yep, I already got a riding boot, which I already done a review, but sadly I couldn't drive much. I'll explain the incident on the ride. Yes, from now on I will not trust TVS. I will try to do my own set of adjustments for the bike. The reservoir, the master cylinder is KTM. I asked them to change the brake line, but the mechanic said, yep, it's fine. Just the master cylinder swap is enough. I literally used a unicorn spring in the master cylinder. Okay, anyway, I need to change the caliper, so I will do that. Yeah, see the service light? Service light. But nope. I need to gather finger followers. I need to gain a new clutch. My brake pads also have 2 to 3,000 kilometers life left. I need to change the caliper anyway, so why not make the entire efforts into one. So okay guys, let me get on. Yeah, I also repair the fairing bolts, you see. Yep, so technically by now I already resolved my tangible issues. The issue with the brake, that's resolved, I think. Yep, the front is fine. See, the rear is working too. The bike gave me some problems, I avoided it, and those caused other issues. So yep, that will no longer happen. And oh, you see this suspension, you might have seen in the street triple vlog, right? Slow down, damn. Look at the landscapes, man. Mountains at the front, rainy skies, a clear sunset view. I hope the cam picks up. Yeah, damn. Sometimes for the best of the life views we need to ride slow. Oh, what a landscape, man. Vijayawada surrounding us. That one thing, clear clouds, and these all are dusky, darky, rainy clouds. Okay. So it's been a few days, and also this is the place where I want the mic, guys, because this is not the NJ, this is the KYT TT course, and I want to, in general use the mic in this position. Anyway, I mean, yeah, So my 310 is pretty much back into working condition. Yeah, avoid the service light. This engine is built of, you can just service it once a year. Yeah, I assure you that. So where have things started going down? Well, yeah, the engine definitely, it's it's 7.5 years almost. And to give a clear context, absolutely 6 years there was never a drop in power. I never used any fuel shooter. I never used any adhesives. I use a basic motor spray. And yeah, I was pretty much fine with anything and everything. The bike gave me multiple troubles, guys. If possible, if you want a detailed review, kindly drop it in comments. I will give an outlook. So the primary downfall started with the rear brake. Yeah, the rear master cylinder is always a disaster for me. Then what happened is the front caliper failed once. I replaced. I kind of had a minor accident. Yeah, this is my go-to road here. So the second issue came when the tires are worn out, but that is my fault as a owner because 16,000 kilometers, the Apollo are fine. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Some learner. Ah. But guys, credit has to be given where it's due. The MRFs are rock solid, man, especially for that price. I never expected the MRFs would be, even in the league of the Apollos or anything. But damn, they're good. Good enough. So that's where, overall, to summarize, I'm happy. I am bloody happy. In fact, even after buying the Street Triple, there is always this guilt in me. I cannot take care of my 310, so what's the story would be with the Triple? And I'm happy to report that's not the case. Uh, very basic amount, I think. The tires cost me 7,000, and the master cylinder, you might see in the starting of this video, right? I replaced with the KTM one. It's doing a bloody fantastic job. And yeah, pretty much overall, yep, I'm satisfied with my braking. I'm entirely satisfied with the bike, man. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, yes, there is no second judging it. Maintaining the 310 is in fact a bloody thoughtful job. The spares, everything are a massive headache. So dealing with them, dealing with everything. God, the expenses skyrocketing, after buying the Street Triple. I mean, 2 weekend rides, the entire fuel charges of a month of 310. So, but that's not the full picture though, because if I go on the highway for touring, the Street Triple gives me better fuel economy than this. Irony, but yeah, that's the hard truth. Anyway, guys, all in all, yeah, just a happy biker with his first crush of a bike and my first love of a bike. And this is a message to all the riders who are struggling with the Apache RR310. Guys, it's high time, we try to venture into other parts, other manufacturers, because I don't see any merit in continuing with the TVS. It's clearly they lack the intelligence, they lack the credibility, they lack the responsibility to maintain a bike like the 310. So yep, I instinctively ride. My mind was absolutely communicating with you. When I ride the street triple, I stall sometimes. Sometimes my word gets distorted. That's because I need to be very focused. I need to control the bike. I need to control myself. There are 120 worth of horses under my legs, so there is that to encounter. But on this is where I am one with the bike. The street triple and I, guys, kind of we are not. I'm not getting the symbiotic feeling, because the 310, for what I got it, is a champ. It's absolutely nailing every piece of its job. So I was pretty much satisfied. Even though it gave me 100 issues, I was fine, because the bike was giving me what I want. I want a linear machine, I want a nice looking ride. And don't think that 310 is all looks. The suspension is a bloody damn champ in this segment. Hell with the 390, heck with the R3. You might bring any 300 class into it. There is no better suspension than this, especially if you are a beginner or an intermediate. Yeah, guys, 390, that's always one misstep away from ripping you apart. But not the 310. It's a sweet, calm pooch, always giving you time, always giving you chances. Anyway, guys, okay, that will come on the review when I clearly, detailedly explain. But anyway, this video is just me bragging my happiness over the restorement of my 310. Okay, anyway.